Logica. Electronics for wood processing.
Hi, welcome back to the Logica channel. In this video, we'll show an example of a wireless configuration of the HUMI control system. Please note that this is just an example. The system can be composed of more or fewer accessories and sensors, depending on the customer's specific needs. This specific version includes 3 LG60 wireless units. Each one has been paired with 4 sets of high-thickness wood electrodes. Let's now take a look at the contents of the kit. First of all, we find the LG34 receiver unit. Be careful when opening the package, to avoid damaging the contents or losing the assembly kit. Next, we find the instruction manual. This is also available as a downloadable PDF from our website. Then, in this Logica branded case, we find the core of the system. The LG59 IoT module, used to connect your HUMI control system to the cloud. Inside the box, we also find the power supply. Then, we find the LG60 kit. In this case, we have 3 kits included. Let's take a look at one of them. You'll find the step-by-step installation guide. The high-thickness wood electrode sets, which can be purchased directly from our online shop. The connection cable. The electrode's protective cover. The wall mounting cover. And finally, the LG60 unit itself, the other key component of the HUMI control system. Thank you for your attention and for trusting our products. If you need further information, don't hesitate to contact us through our website.